Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a 14-15 Trilogy Box Break. It's break number 42. As you can see there, the last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets. Sold at 19:30 Eastern. And we'll flip over to the eBay time. We'll refresh it. eBay time is 17:05 Pacific, 20:05 Eastern, and 21:05 good old Nova Scotia time. So here's our list of winners, excuse me, and their respective teams. Thanks to everybody for jumping in and grabbing teams. It's a good little product. Okay, serial number ending in 4611, and it's break number 42. So, here's our box, and there's where we get the serial number, I guess. Otherwise, it's inside. Alright, let's get right to it. Say good luck, everybody. And I've got on Thursday night, I've got I believe it's another one of the notes, an SPX, couple SPX, and a 13-14 game used. Saturday night, I've got a big 5-box mixer. Changed a couple of the boxes up that were in it last time, so just to make it a little different. So check that out on Saturday night. So here we go with this one. Good luck. Start off with the Red Wings and Pavel Datsyuk, 17 out of 230. And that's kind of like a rainbowy thingy. Going out to WMAC 22. Congratulations. Vincent Trocheck for the Florida Panthers and M. Hayes. That's 619 out of 799. It's a level 1 rookie premier. Pretty sweet. Here's a green one. A level 1 premiers, Chris Tenary for the Sharks. Sharks tonight is Odie Cod. That is numbered 134 out of 199. Going to the Sharks and to the Detroit Red Wings, we got Tri-Pits. And that is Dominic Hasek for Buffalo. The Detroit Red Wings, if I can get it right. And that's 283 out of 400, and of course that's going out to WMAC 22. Another greener, level 1, rookie premiers, Jonathan Drouin. Going out to Tampa Bay, and Mio, CA 1976. Congratulations. That's 69 out of 199. And we got 5 to go. Nice thick one here. Sweet. It's the signature pucks, Ty Ratty for the St. Louis Blues. Cadu 123. Very nice. And that is not numbered. Nice hit for St. Louis. That's probably the box hit. Well, I don't know. This one's pretty heavy. This would be the acetate one, crystal. Whoops. And going out to the New Jersey Devils, meowmeow.ca, 1976. Jaromir Jagr. There you go, and that is numbered 219 from 275. Congratulations. I like those acetate cards. They're pretty neat. Pretty neat, I'd call it. Here we go. I guess we'll be doing a random here between the Lightning, the Panthers, and the Sabres, because we've got Drouin, Ekblad, and Reinhardt out of 25. Rookie Premieres, 21 out of 25. Sweet card. Anybody wants insurance, just let me know. Whoops, I'll just set that aside for a second, I guess. I won't stick it right in the pile. 2 packs left. What a nice card. Yes, indeed. Oh, something else nice coming here, too. Are you ready for it? Anze Kopitar. And that's going out to Sears 3213 for LA. And we got Tri-Picks. And that is numbered 148 out of 400. Last pack. Good luck. Oh, another thick card. We'll take it. You know where that's going. Same team, right? Yes, sir. Back-to-back hits for the Kings. Jonathan Quick. Tri-Picks. 225 out of 421. There you have it. Nice piece of jersey. There you have it, folks. Now we'll do that random. We'll get that set up here, and just give me half a second. Okay. Okay, so everybody knows how I do my randoms. I put the teams in 3 times and I random them 4 times. Team on top at the end of 4 is the winner. So congratulations to somebody here. Not sure who yet. There you go. Tampa, Florida, Buffalo. Tampa, Florida, Buffalo. Tampa, Florida, Buffalo. Here we go. Number 1, we'll adjust the camera. Tampa on top. Number 2, Florida on top. Number 3, Florida on top. And the winner of that beautiful card will be Tampa Bay. As you can see, 4 times. And Tampa on top. Congratulations going out to meowmeow.ca 1976. There you go, people. Thanks very much. Look for my breaks on Thursday night and Saturday. So till then, good night. Happy bidding.